Hey everybody, it's the Lockpicking Magician. Today I wanted to show you a pick for raking that is called the Sparrow Worm. The worm is like a triple peak, however it is smoother and looks like a little worm crawling along the ground. This is their R10H worm rake, and it is a 0.25, sorry, not a quarter of an inch, 0.025 thickness, and this is very impressive. It's really effective for getting into these easier level type locks. I mean, some of these are, this one here has some security pins, this one has security pins in it, and it has no trouble popping these locks open quickly. So I was going to do a quick little fun little challenge here and see how long it would take me to open up these 8 locks, 2, 4, 6, 8 locks. I will show you each one's key bitting. So that's the Master 140. This is the Master number 3. This is a Master commercial lock that I believe I pinned this one up with some spools. This is called a Fortress, which I'm sure, no doubtedly, is probably made by Master. This is a Marlin gun lock. Master here. Another Master. And this is a Master number 5. This is a lock from True Value. It is a that's a pretty good bitting there. Alright. And I don't know why, but this has just slipped my mind is what model that Master is. Magnum. It's a Magnum. Alright, let's lock these up and have some fun here. Let's see how quickly, using the Sparrows Worm and bottom of the key, that I can get into these locks. Alright, here we go. Here we go with the Master 140. Meet the worm. Okay, the 140 is down. The number 3. Should just be able to sneeze on the number 3, but it is the odds. We're playing the odds here. Huh. Unbelievable. Let's give it a little more tension. Rocking and raking. Can you believe the number 3 is giving me more trouble than the 140 did with serrated pins? That is crazy. Come on, number 3, you won't yield. You're killing my time. Oh, there, we finally got the 3. Alright, the Master commercial. Got to make up for some lost time here. Here we go. Like I say, I think this one's got some maybe serrated pins in it. Oh, good. Catching up here. Fortress. Fortress sounds so serious. You'd think this was never going to be picked. And I'm having trouble with getting that into the bottom of the key way. It's killing my time. Come on, Fortress. Come on, Fortress. Yield. Yield to the worm. Let's go a little heavier tension. It's just playing the odds. Playing the odds. Raking. Kind of a rocking, raking. Alright, come on now. Let's try a little lighter tension. Come on. Heavier tension. Wow, the fortress is killing me. Come on, fortress. Yield to the worm. The worm wants to open you up, fortress. Oh, now we're jammed in there. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Oh, there we go. All right, and the Marlin. The Marlin. The Master Magnum. You're no match for the worm. Magnum. If I remember correctly, applying a little heavier tension on this one was more effective. Pins probably drop really easily. Come on, Magnum. Magnum PI. It looks so impervious with those rivets, but I know the worm can take you down. Come on, Magnum. Oh, there we go. You're down. And the number 5. Number 5. Come on, number 5. Work with me here. Oh, we're stuck. Get in there. There we go. 1 to go. The true value Truguard. Come on. Come on. This is crazy. This lock usually, I can look at it from across the room and it wants to open up. Now that I want it to, that I'm videoing, it won't. Yield. Yield to the worm. Come on. Come on, true value. Heavier tension, maybe? Lighter tension? Oh my gosh. Come on. This is crazy. Ah, there we go. Oh, that's definitely not my best time, but anyway, you get the idea. The worm from Sparrows. If you don't have one, you might want to get one. They're killer. Well, thanks for watching.